Over here I have this Huracan Evo with these drilled rotors with Audi's signature design for weight reduction. These rotors are steel and they're ideal for street driving and also on the track. In my opinion, the best rotors you can have are the ones that you can find on the GT500 and also the ZL11 Elite. They're also available on other cars and they are not slotted or drilled. They are vented and they are steel rotors. The reason why I say these are the best ones is because they are the most efficient, they last the most, and also they make no noise.